the fearless stride. My funded futures take me worldwide. My funded futures light the way, breaking through night into brighter days. My funded TV shows the scene, living my life like a vivid dream. The clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way.
You can look to sell this gold out here. If you get up to 99.0203 level, let's see here. Here we go. Even should get a push up here. 01, 02s. I'd be scaling out of longs here on the gold. How are you, everybody? How are you? There goes the gold right back up. Hello, David Ahmad.
Hello.
Yeah, okay. All right. How are you, everybody? Again, we're going to be My Funded Futures can't do it tonight, but I'm here. But I'm on My Funded Futures as well. And just wanted to say hello, everybody. Okay. Hello, Gregory, Angela Hunt. Boom. Buy this gold, 73 to 83. The stop order's kicking in here. Just got up to the 02, 03. I've been flat. Boom. Oh, look at the stop order. You got to buy it here.
Yep.
You got to buy the gold. These are stop orders. Sell this gold out above 83. Wow. Look at these stop orders. Kaboosh on the gold. Scale out of this long above 80. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Can't scroll down fast enough.
That's why in the DOM. Oh, my God. Gold is 60 from the 10 bar. Buy it again, 63.73. Oh, my God. I hope you scale out of these longs. 81, 82, 83. Wow. Kaboom. Oh, my God almighty. This gold's they're saying gold's going to be down 30% from the highs. Look at this gold rally. Wow. Hey, SK. Hello, Blaze. Anybody here tonight for My Funded Futures? I think I'm on My Funded Futures chat here. I don't know. I hope so.
All right, that was a quick 300.
There you go, 300.
9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
All right, there goes the gold right back up. Wow. Oh, my God. Anybody get that long? Hey, Angela. Good morning. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Anybody get that long? Whew. Wow, unbelievable. What a long. Wow, anybody get that long on that gold? Oh, my God. Look to buy this gold again here. What's the low here? Look to buy this gold anywhere between the 658.5 and 68.5 range. This gold's going to bounce here. You're $48 from the 10 bar. Sarah, great job, up 380. Holy macro. Oh my God almighty. Hey everybody, Corp Trades. Okay. Wow, that was awesome. Good evening, son of Wall Street. How are you? Scripted signals. Wow, unbelievable. Let's get this here. Gold making new lows here. Again, look to buy this 58.5 to 68.5. I would go every 2.5. Look at this gold. Unbelievable. What a pencil down. Libby, got it. Libby, great job. LCY, good evening. How are you? KRYT. Here we go. 68.5. I'd be looking to buy 58.5 to 68.5. And I would go wide, use micros, prop trading. Oh, here we go. Oh my God, this gold. 52 from the 10 bar. JDL 54. Look at this. Oh my God. I'd be buying it here. Looking for a rally. $60 from the 10 bar. Look to scale out of any long 63 to 68. Here we go. Look at it right back. Oh my God, right back up. Look at this. It's Christmas in October. You got to have your offers out. Wow. Again, I look to buy it 43 to 53 range. If you're long, scale out long 64, 68. Wow. Whew. I'm exhausted already. Good to go, Uncle. There you go. Wow. There's 10 on the gold right here. Beautiful. 53.5 just got down. Wow. Can everybody hear me? Again, look to buy this gold 42.5. 42.5, 53.5. I'm right here. Kabooshed. Just rallied 13 on the gold. Again, if it gets down to the 52, go 43.5, 53.5 range. Wow, what a cabooshin. Wow. I was on. Something happened to YouTube or something. I was calling longs here in and out. Again, if it gets down, you could look to probably buy this here again. 43.5 to 53.5 range. Again, on the gold. Here we go. Look at this. Boom. 53.5. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this gold. Unbelievable. Hi, Chip Smith. 41. Oh my God. $64 from the 10 bar moving average. Whew. I'm exhausted. Silver must be getting absolutely kaboosh too. Gold down 56. Here goes the gold. Stop orders. You got to go wide on your entries. Look to scale out of any longs here. 54 up to 60 range. Let's see if you get a push up here. 51. 50s. 51. 52s. Oh my God, 46, 47s. Look to scale out any longs here. 51 up to 55. Wow, look at this. Gold 60 down from the 10 bar. Again, you got to go micros and you got to go wide. Oh my God, look at this gold. $68 from the 10 bar. Gold should get a sharp bounce here. Boom. Wow. Look at this. I still be buying it here, scaling in. This thing should bounce at least $15 to $20 here. What support? This thing should bounce your $30 to $75 from the 10 bar moving average here. Oh my God. This is a cabooshin. 4,000. I think it bounces first. I think it bounces to the 45 range here. Here we go. It's 45, 50 range. Here goes the gold right back up. 38, 30, 40. I'd be scaling out of longs 40 to 48 here. Wow. This is a serious. Gold's down over 300 points from the from 2 nights ago. This gold's $80. I'd be buying this gold here with micros. You should get at least a $15, $18, $20 bounce here. Wow. Was this halted? Why would it be halted? You got to be fast on this mouse. You're $80 from the 10 bar. Wow. This thing should run about $15, $18, $15 to $25 here on the upside. I can see it 40 back up to 45, 50. I just go in and out. Nice and in and out. Hand on the mouse. This gold's going to bounce here. You should get a sharp bounce. Just trade up to 41. Here we go. Let's see if it rallies here. Now you got this negative MACD, which is any rally on the overbought should be sold. Any rally. Oh yeah, this is serious. Goes down 300. Anybody here that's new? Anybody new? Bitcoin caboose. Bitcoin hit 13,800. I called it short of a lifetime in my live stream. I said this thing is going to break. The MACDs were non-confirming. The MACDs were non-confirming on the 60-minute time frame. You need real-time market data. Here goes the gold. Be scaled out of longs here. You should get another 10 on the upside here, maybe 15. Should get to 43, 48. Here we go. Just ran 20 on the gold. I told you this gold would rally. Asia, who are you? Let's go. Isotic, how are you? Massive stops, right? I told you the stop orders. There you go, 44. I said 48. Whew. Wow. 48 on the gold. What did I tell you? Now, next target's 53. 48 on the gold. Just ran 27. Oh, my God, 54. Kaboom. Look to short this gold, 60. I would go probably 64 up to 74 on the gold short. Oh my God, $40 on gold. It's Christmas in October. Just hit 64. Lower your stops. This is insane. Love it. Look at it drop. Good job, Sinclair. If you're short, just lower your stops. There's 10. Went right to my number. Oh my God. It's Christmas, down 10 on gold. Denny's not here. Let's just trade. Oh my God. Down 10. Oh my God. 20 on the gold short. When you see the negative MACD like that, kabooshed. SS Darken. Darkotten. Just lost my college kids. Come on. Enough. Don't be funny here. Okay? Come on. Enough is enough. I don't need. Come on. Be a pro. Okay? Where's Arton? Oh my God. What a short. Whew. Oh my God. We're going to do 30 giveaways to my live stream. Unfortunately, listen, families first. There's we gotta okay. We have a situation that family comes first, right? Everybody. I'm exhausted. I can't even look at the index futures. Oh my God. Soaking wet already. Oh my God. Oh my God almighty. When you see a negative MACD like this, you have to take the short. Look at the high. I said 64, and it got kabooshed all the way down to 44. Good job, Aja. Up 50K on the gold short. Well, good job. CC Cast. Oh, my God. Up 1,800 on TikTok. What a short. S&Ps just dropped 4. Wow. Oh, my God almighty. Get the scotch ready. It's right. It's not. Is this normal? No. Hey, Gustavo, how are you? Can we get the 400 chicken trader? Why can't you buy account till next month? This made my year. Is that Heather? Heather. And every day I stream like this every day on my SK Trading Live. So please go to my website, sktrading.live. I also have a podcast every day. Oh, my God, gold. I short this gold again. If this gold gets up to 68 to 80 range, you got to go wide. You got a major bear flag setting up here. Negative MACDs. 66. If you want to go 66 to like 78, I'm going 68, 67 to 80. You got to go wide. You got to go wide every 2 or 3. Look at silver. Forget it. It's the same thing. Here, 68. Look at this gold. You got negative MACDs here. Gold just ran. Oh, my God. Gold just ran 49. Look at this gold. Silver. Where's silver? You got to, I would short this silver, 47.81 to like 94. Gold just ran 50 off the lows. Is that crazy? Christmas in October. Look to cover gold below 69.5. Oh my God, this thing's going to drop. Okay, for those of you who want to sign up for the raffle tonight, Aaron posted it in my YouTube. Aaron, can you post that in MyFundedFutures YouTube as well? You got the gold short. Oh my God, look at this gold short.
I have a problem tomorrow. I have to lose some money or I'm going to trigger the consistency.
No, just keep trading. F it. I don't want to hear that shit. Wow, 400. If this gold gets up to the 74 and a half, up to 84 and a half, 85, I'd be shorting it. If you're still short, you should have covered. I think it's going to get one more pop. Gold was $80 from the 10-bar weighted moving average. I still think it's going down. At these negative MACDs here, forget about it. Where's silver? Silver just got kabooshed. If you sold above 80, oh my God, 81. Gold, silver just dropped 6. There goes the S&P. Say bye-bye. Good night. Good night. I mean, goodbye, gold. Gold just dropped 10. Oh my God. Shorts need to be careful. Dan trades. Are you crazy? Do you see this pattern here? Do you see this pattern here? That's a negative MACD. You want to short into that negative MACD. Okay? And you trade it. Hey, Jose. Gold's dropping here. Gold just dropped 10. Yeah, can you post the link in MyFundedFutures so they can sign up? Oh, you did? I didn't see it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Todd Alprez, how are you? Wow, this gold's finished. 3,900 on the gold. Wow. Where's Arton? Grimskull 410. I got 43 years experience, brother. Gold just dropped 13. Alfred Haywood, how are you? Come on, guys. Look at this. Look at this gold. 16, 17, 18 off the highs. Where's the link? It's in there. You guys got to sign up for the raffle tonight. I'm going to give away 30 free 10-day, 30 free 7-day access to my live stream. Wow, what a bear flag. Anybody short the gold? There is a link, Alex. It's right there. Oh, my God. Anybody short gold? No link? Aaron, can you post it in MyFundedFutures? They're saying there's no link. Please. Wow, what a move. Andrew, Peter called me. He says, you don't understand the payouts. Andrew, call me after 10 o'clock, please. Look at this gold. Look at this gold, 20 down. Who said be careful being short? Are you crazy with that pattern? Good job. Dan trades 10,000 stopped. I don't know what that means. I'm exhausted. Oh my God, what a short. Yeah, we have to, God willing, Denny will be back sometime this week. Ed and Tani, are you live for real? What do you think I am? Of course I'm live for real. Okay. It's Edward. Amaldo. Okay, everybody please sign up for the live giveaway. SK time, I'm good, brother. Thank you. I'm good. We're good. Oh my God, we absolutely crushed it. Whew. Go below 4,000 at the Chinese market? I don't know about that. I think you're right. Dan Trades, thank you. Adam, how are you, Adam? Please, if you're on my YouTube, please subscribe and leave a comment, please. Those of you who are here. All right. Wow. What's the giveaway again? Sorry, I'm new to the stream. I'm going to give away 30 of my 7-day free access to my live stream. Okay, every day from 9 to 4. You guys should not be trading alone. I got 43 years experience. You want to be able to hear what goes on in my live stream. We do about 100 trades a day between stocks, index futures, and commodity futures like gold and silver, oil. Whew. Wow. That was exhausting. All right. Okay. That was unbelievable. All right. I want to see this gold get one more push up here. You want to see this overbought condition into the negative MACD. So if this gold gets up to 75, 78, it's a gift. It's a gift. Should I long gold now? I would be shorting it, Heather. I don't trade options. No. How much can I trade? Stocks and index futures. Okay. Just my 30 to my live stream. And then when Denny comes back tomorrow or Thursday, we'll really make up for it. Okay. We'll make up for the days that we're in here. All right, this gold is going to get kabooshed. When this 5-minute time frame rolls over, this gold is going to get absolutely kabooshed. 71 just dropped 5. Look at this, into this negative MACD. ADX rising. Please get up here. Please just get to right here. I'd love to short it. Okay, kabooshed. That's a kabooshin. Steve, what? Which MACD top? And number 4 is my own algorithm. Wow. Oh my God. What a kabooshin. Oh, great day. Great day. Great day. Wow. Are you up?
Oh yeah.
All right, good job. Good job, Mark. Where is he?
Etienne?
Etienne.
Yep.
Where are you? You okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Good job. Kabooshed. All right. Well, if you look at the daily on gold, you're going to get a big sell reversal on the daily here on my indicator 4. The daily reversal sell. Any push up, the MACD is negative. Even if you do get a push up to 41.50, look out. Hey, Julian. There you go, Julian. Get in there, Julian. Bear flag, Sarah. Absolutely. I want to see it get a little higher. Now, it did get up to 75.5 and then dropped 23. It dropped 23. Okay, please sign up for my live stream free giveaway for 7 days. The link is in there. We're going to do 15 and 15. I'm exhausted. Unbelievable. I called Bitcoin 13,800. Bitcoin's down 5,800 points from today. I think the next push up, you got to get short. And when these 15s, when these 5s roll over, it would be the first bounce on the 5 after the 5 correlated with the 15. This thing's going to get kabooshed, man. Everybody, come on, guys. Can we get the 500 today? And please subscribe to my YouTube, sktrading.live. That would really help me. Bye-bye, gold. Gold just got to 71 here again. Bye-bye. Down 13. What happened? MRW? MWR? What is that? How's the night going? Dr. Zay? Dr. Zay, whatever you're on, send me a case. Do you not see what's going on in gold? MWR swing. Good job, MWR. Dr. Zay, are you kidding me? Please send me a case of whatever you're on. Can somebody tell me what Dr. Zay is on? MWR, congratulations. Damian POS, Patrick O'Brien. What time frame? 5, 15, 30, and 60, and 3. Edward from Ohio. Nice crowd tonight. Yes, we got about 500 between both. Weed, I want whatever gold is on. That's not what I said. Dr. Zay just joined. I know, Dr. Zay, you joined. Let's go. MyFundedFutures, no giveaways. Gold to 4,000. I agree. Gold's going to 39.50. What is that? What's going on here?
Nope, just rearranging.
The noise just gets me crazy here. My nerves are shot as it is. I don't like loud noises. Rat Motor, congratulations. MWR, if anybody wants to give me a call, MWR. Look at that silver drop. What a drop on that silver, like 81, kabooshed. Right here. Boom, down to 74. What a drop on the bear flag. Heather, great job. Oh, is it Heather? Healthier health. Sorry, I don't have my reading glasses. I'm exhausted. Phenom Z. So any speculation as to what happens now, happened there? It's just probably just big selling institutions and stop orders. Look at this gold. Look out below, baby. When these 5s roll over. Wow, we got a lot of new people here today. Anybody new, please post a 1. And anybody who likes to reach out to me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. Arton, where have you been, Arton? The long and then the short. Thank you, Coach Fred. Wow, I haven't seen 30 minutes like that in a night session. Oh, I had a wonderful, beautiful time with my daughter last night. Thank you very much, Ella Crema. How are you? Look at this, Geekins, Ascend and Dbula. Can people just have normal names like Fred, Harry, George? JL Trading, One Sport, Trading Positive. Here we go. I'd short this gold, 78 up to like 90 on the gold. Oh, my God. You go 80 up to like 80, 92 into this negative MACD. Oh, my God. Where's silver? This silver's got to be shorter here. 02 up to 12 or 13. Wow, this gold, this rally. Arton, this gold. Oh, my God. Oh, my God almighty. This gold's on crack. The low was 21. It should drop here now. You can cover this gold anywhere between the 78 and 85 range. Oh my God, 21 up to 80, up to 91. $670 on gold. Oh my God. Whew. This gold's going to drop here. Overbought into these negative MACDs here. Here we go. Drop. Oh my God. It's moving $3, $4 out of the clip. So those were the stop orders I was telling you about there. Oh my God almighty. Cover this gold, 78 to 85, 86 range. You got to have your orders out there ahead of time. Wow. Good job, Dan Trades. Good night. Bitcoin finished down 13. Bitcoin dropped 5,800 points from the highs. I'll show you the pattern in a minute. Oh my God. That's what you wanted. You wanted to go up and down. Silver just dropped to 93. I hope you've got people, if you're short, cover it. This gold going right into the 10 bar should be shorted again. Should be shorting this gold again here. If you covered 96 up to the 06 range. Oh, this gold's going to get kabooshed, man. Wait till these fives drop. Oh my God, this gold. Silver just dropped. Gold dropping. Lower your stops on the gold. Look at this drop. Kabooshed. Get down below 81, you bastard. Giava, you're late to the game. Let's go. Get those likes up. Look at this gold, Arton. What's the NASDAQ doing? Get in the game, Mr. B. Who's trading NASDAQ? Swing Sentry. Whew, I'm soaking wet here. Anybody get that short in gold? 97 down to 82. Oh, my God. NASDAQ, what? Gold to 4,100. Well, that was close enough, Arton, don't you think? 97. Oh, my God. Unbelievable. It's going to be very hard to go. If gold breaks 4,000, I could only imagine the stop orders at 4,000 on gold. Really. I can only imagine. Swing Sentry, Coach Fred. Okay. Yo to the low. How could you lose 1,000? You got to go wide. Oh, my God. Trade flows, how are you? Oh, my God. This gold's going to... Look at these 5-minute time frames. So this is technically the first bounce here. This gold should drop. What's silver doing here? Silver, if you're short up there, I'd be covering shorts. Wow. Scalping the 5-second chart. Swing Century. How to use the fourth indicator, John Lujano. It's a whole methodology I teach during my live stream. So today, when the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame reverse to sell on the GLDs, okay, you have to. There are strategies that are set for that. Okay. Done for the night. Why? What happened? Jose Santiago, how are you? It's proprietary. Okay. Massive sell-off if we break 4,000. I think so. I think there's monster stop orders at 4,000. If that happens, you'll see 39.50 in the blink, in my opinion. I think so, yeah. The fourth indicator is based upon a methodology I use based upon the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames. Vonderwerst, can we not trade gold on MyFundedFutures core? What does that mean? What does that mean? Data delayed and won't upchange. You got to pay. I think you got to get real live market data. If I understand this right, you could trade gold. We could trade gold. Oh my God, I'm exhausted. Between today and the night. Steven Engelman, how are you? All right. Yeah, Martin, please. Candace Bochi, how are you, Candace? Todd Alvarez. Which is more important, MACD or indicator 3? Everything I do is based upon a methodology. Indicators 1, 3, and 4 I use 85% of the time, and 15% of the time I use indicators 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. You want to do 15 giveaways now, or do you want to wait till after the Chinese market opens at 9? This gold's going to get kabooshed. You guys want to do 15 giveaways now, or 10 now, 10 at 9:15 and 10 at 9:45? No? Okay. We need to get the guys sign up. Again, you can only sign up once. Okay. If you win, you can only win one time in 3 months. Okay. And it's only for people who have never been to my website. Guys, we only have 53 signups, so I can't do it. Okay. Your trades, you have to sign up. The link is in there. Link, please. Aaron, they're asking for the link here again. Okay. It's on MyFundedFutures and mine. There's no link. Where's the link? I won last week. Fiber Spice. I can't post it in the chat. It won't let me. Okay. So what do people do? I give up. Well, apparently Denny could be the only one. If you guys let me see if he could post this link in here. Let me call Denny if he can do it. I'll short this gold here. 01 to like 11 here. 01 to 11. Good call, Arton. All right, Denny's going to post the giveaway. I just spoke to him. Give him 10 minutes here. All right. No. Aaron, please. Denny said he's going to post it in MyFundedFutures. Okay. Gold just rallied 80 off the lows. This is such a short up here. Okay, so Denny just spoke to me. Okay, he said that he's going to post the sign up for the giveaway tonight in MyFundedFutures. Give him 10 minutes. Okay, who's this here? Todd Albrez. I talked to you on the phone for an hour one day. I called you like a year ago. You think I remember that? Well, you can call me again. Okay, you can call me again. All right, we're going to do the 30 giveaways. If you're short the gold at 01, just lower your stops. Just trade it in and out. Here we go, 01. Can you believe this freaking gold? Where's the silver? This gold and silver got to be shorted. Silver 10. Oh, my God. There goes the gold. Goes up 80 off the lows. Right? I was calling longs down here. What are you talking about? Son of Wall Street, how are you? Cover this gold below 01, 95 to 01. Look at this gold drop. Look at this, 03, 04, down 6. Just trade it, guys. Come on. Wow. Gold's down 9. Whew. Gold's down 9. Gold's down 10. What a short. You short?
Yep. I'm out.
You should be trading a funded account. That's
Yeah,
okay.
we're going to get there.
Okay. Good job, Arton. I know Arton got short. Sarah, you get that short, Sarah? Look at this, Sarah. Down 12. Mr. Picker End, Pictoria End. What kind of names are these? Waikid. Good job, Waikid. 1 trillion in gold. That's nothing. How much do people make? Oh, my God almighty. Look at this gold. It's going to get kabooshed. Oh, my God. We keyed up 2,000 on that. Good job. Good job. Why is the stream much better? It's the same thing. I'm still using StreamYard. Just change that name. I'm going to have nightmares with that name. Lou Sassoli. Oh my God. Story, what's up? Wow. An hour and 10 minutes ago, I may drop. I think, okay, so in 10 minutes, what do you think? Up and then down or down and then up? Then he said that he's going to post the link in 10 minutes. Good job, Barbara. Barbara, how did I say that? Barbara Beige. Up and then down. There you go. JL Trading, let's go. Come on, gold. Drop 50. Okay. Up and then down. Okay, we've just posted.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to do a giveaway here tonight. 15 at 9:15 and 15 for 11 for the short. Okay. I'm in real time. Real time. Well, index futures are always in real time. Short at 82 on the gold. Why would you be short at 82? I said look to cover 78 to 82. That was right here. Okay, Aaron, Denny just posted it here. So please subscribe to the fill the callers. All right. Targeting the gap. I think they drop. Oh, we break Bonita Beach. Hey, Bonita Beach. Hamza Makublu, how are you? VQ Trades 4111. I think you won yesterday, didn't you? This is not a MyFundedFutures giveaway. I'm telling you now, this is my giveaway. I'm giving away 30 free 7-day access to my live stream for people who are non-members. S&P's new lows. NASDAQ futures new lows. NASDAQ just dropped 20. I don't look at extended trading hours. I do not look at ETH. Wow, I'm exhausted. Thank you, Danny. Thank you. Extended trading hours, the continuous contract, same. All right. Let's see what's going to happen here in about 6 minutes. Wow, unbelievable. Look at this pencil up on the gold. 55 to 87. 2,900 contracts. Almost 3,000 contracts here. That's insane. 3,000 contracts. I'm exhausted, Dr. Zay. Zen 25 G2X, no. You can call it a night if you like. All right, gold just dropped 13. Now you have a triple Lindy here. Let's see if this gold can drop here. Look at this gold, 15 off the highs. Been long all day. Well, when are you going to start selling it? Where are you long? I mean, it just got kabooshed. I wouldn't short the gold here. I called it short here, 01, 02, 03. Got up to 04. Zoo trade. I think a lot of downsides coming on this gold. Okay. All right. Really can't look at the what's silver do? Silver should have dropped. Silver. Yep. Silver got kabooshed. Beautiful short. Silver just dropped 25 cents. Anybody short the silver, Arton? Anybody? I think Arton's the only one who trades silver. All right, so Denny will be back tomorrow, everybody. Okay, just to let everybody know. All right. Okay. People are texting me about the giveaway. Look at this gold drop. Oh my God, 20 on the gold. 20 on the gold. Arton, you short up there? Why would you short silver at 47.94? I called the range 94 up to 95 up to 10. I don't get it, Devin. At least you're making money. Come on. You got to scale into it. You can't watch silver 47.94 and watch it go up 16 cents and not short it. All right. James Dean, good job. That's not bad, James Dean. 17 on the gold. Oh, my God, gold. Devin, you understand what I'm saying? You can't do single lot entries, Baba. I mean, you can, but I can't tell you what to do, but I wouldn't. Candace, I'd be covering shorts, Candace. Jennifer Cross, how are you, Jennifer? Why is gold so weak? Why was gold so strong from 2,700? Look at this gold to 43.98. Look at this gold. Unbelievable. Down 30. Devin, you understand what I'm God. Devin, you understand what I'm saying, Devin? Now you got a triple Indy here. It just bounced 13. Let me see if this gold just can get one more put off the 3 minute. A triple Indy is always off the 3 minute. Right there. Beautiful. Oof, I'm exhausted. 75. All right. Okay. All right. Now the Chinese market's going to open in 2 minutes. Let's just watch what's going to happen here. Okay. All right. So let's see the gold dropping here. All right. Chinese market. What are they going to do? Great session. ATAC, how are you? Guys, please. I just got an text message. Somebody said, please, I won last night and I didn't get the link. Come on. I'm too tired for this. If you didn't win, come on. I have the names. Okay. I have the names. All right. Please don't do that. Please. Okay. Diego, Chinese market's down and then up. I think Chinese should be selling begin right. I think so too. You're always able to improve your YouTube delay. YouTube has a 20-second delay, but during my live stream every day, it's a nanosecond. A triple Lindy is a bi-divergence in a negative trend. So the 5-minute time frame turns positive. Okay, the triple Lindy normally sets up the 15-minute short. Okay. So that pull up, we should be buying this gold on that pullback, 77, just ran 10. All right, let's just watch to see if this gold can get another push down. Your channel is more than MyFundedFutures delay, so why is that? It's YouTube. It's not me. It's not me. You met my neighbor, Nick B? Oh yeah, Nick B. Yeah, she told me a Nick B met you. Oh, she's the best, Vil. Vil's my neighbor. Am I able to improve my YouTube delay? It's YouTube. It's YouTube. It's not me. YouTube has a 10-second delay. I have a nanosecond delay. There goes the gold. 77 up to 91. Damn it. Oh my God. $20. That's the triple Lindy right there. A buy divergence, positive MACD. This gold is going to go to 0405. If this gold gets up to the 03.5 to 13.5, I'd short it. Run your YouTube in 2 times? I don't know. Look at this triple Lindy. 77. Damn it. There goes the gold. Jesus, gold. 77 up. All right, let's see what the Chinese are doing here. 03.5 up to 13.5 range. Just ran from 77. If it takes 07, it'd be up 30. Oh my God. Yeah, up 30 off the triple Lindy. That's a triple Lindy here. Look at this. Look at that. That's a triple Lindy. Cover anywhere from the 03.5 to 07.5 range. Look at that. Unbelievable. Up on the day. Jesus, Lord God. Here we go. Dropping. $30 in 3 minutes. That's the triple Lindy I was telling you about. It's a buy divergence, right? In a negative trend. Oh. This gold's going to drop. Again, you should be covering shorts 03.5, 04 to 07.5. Just dropped before. Gold's up almost 100 points off the low. That was a triple Lindy here. Unbelievable. 75. Oh my God, up 40. If you covered the gold here, look to short it again, 17.5 to 27.5 range on the gold. This gold's short. 18 above the 10 bar. Here we go. Oh my God, 50 off the lows. The Chinese are buying it like crazy. 4,200. Oh my God. I said that was a triple Lindy off the 3-minute right here. Look at that, triple Lindy right here. The oversold, the positive MACD. Triple Lindy's are always off the 3-minute. Cover this gold anywhere from the 14.5 to 20.5 range. Oh my God, look at this drop. The triple Lindy, that's off the Rodney Dangerfield movie. Remember that? The triple Lindy? $100 off the lows. Exactly. Lower your stops if you're short. $435. Let's go. Back to School. Remember that movie, Back to School? The triple Lindy? What a great, great, great. I named that pattern off of Rodney Dangerfield right here. So the triple Lindy is when the MACDs are positive from below the pivot. The algorithm reverses to buy. Okay. I'd short this gold again here. 28.5 up to 38.5. Can you imagine? Up 100. So we came in here. What time? Ding, ding, ding here. What time is it? This gold's going to drop, though. Hold on. Where is this gold? Right here. Boom. 19. Kabooshed. Right back up. Hit 25.5. Just drop 5. If you're still short, look to cover 14 to 9, 14 to 20. 14 to 20. That's what I say. Where's the beer? There goes the gold drop. 10, 11. Kabooshed. Right back up. Yeah, Nick B, my neighbor is great. What are the bottom oscillators? Just give me a second. I don't see why it's a good to short here. Oh my God. You're making new highs. You got non-confirmations everywhere. You got non-confirmations. All right, then buy it. Then buy it. We'll see who's right. Then buy it. This was the triple Indy. Who said down and then up? Again, if this thing gets up to the 28.80 to 38.80, I would short it. I don't even know if it's going to get that high. You're $22, 23 from the 10 bar. Where's the silver? Silver's doing nothing here. If you want to go 26 to 36 or 28.80 up to 38.80, let them have them. I think this is going to get crushed. 60-minute time frame. 30. Look at this. Beautiful buy divergence on the 30-minute. Making new lows. The MACDs couldn't confirm right here. The guy who saw 40.21, he jumped. Oh, my God almighty. Do you see that? You see that right here? Made the new low in the 30-minute MACD, couldn't confirm. Look at this gold, 27.80, 26.80, 28, 29. I say let them have them. 30. This is insane. All right. $27 above the 10 bar. Look to cover anywhere between the 20-27. Good job, KRZ. I said there was a triple Lindy there. Short NASDAQ. Stark, be careful. The 15s are still turning up. Look at the gold drop. Gold drop 5. You sure we're at 40? Okay. Wow, this gold's insane. Gold just dropped 8. Lower your stops. Silver cannot make a new high. Silver. Who's that? Who's that?
Oh, that's 18.
Gold's down 10. Bitcoin, I called what a short today, 13,500 to 13,800. I called such a short. The 60-minute MACD could not confirm. I'll show it to you here today. Bitcoin USD. If you look here, I'll do it on the bigger time frame here on the 60. You can see Bitcoin, and I'll make it smaller like this. Tell me the truth. Can you see this here? You made new highs. As you draw your horizontal line right here, the MACDs cannot confirm right here on the new high. You see that? Everybody? Beautiful. All right. You can still have buys on the 30-minute time frame on the S&P and on the 60-minute. Okay. All right. Be careful with this NASDAQ. The 15s are still not over. Everybody see this? You go. I don't think gold's going up there. Basically, whatever the range is, you go 3 over the range. Okay, you go 3 over the range. So if you call it short in gold, just say 30 to 40 range. The stop is 43. If this gold gets up to 33, 43, I look to short it with your 46 stop. A 46 stop. Again, if you're short, look to cover 20 to 24. With me. I mean, it's 20 to 27. It just dropped down there already. And when you have volatility like this, that's a very good point. You reduce your risk, right? You reduce your risk. Okay. Aaron, 9:15. Do you want to do a giveaway? 15, Aaron? All right, we're going to do the wheel for 15 giveaway. We're going to do 15 7-day free trial. You cannot be a member, and you have to be someone completely new. Okay. And we have the signups now. No, the 30-minute. The 30-minute was the buy on the gold. Gold to 150. Julian, come on. Trade what you see, Julian, right? All right. All right, Aaron, we're going to do the wheel. Let's do this. All right, we're going to do 15 spins. Okay, you're going to see it right here. I'm going to move it in the center so everybody can see it. And this here is for my 7-day giveaway. I'm going to move it in the middle so everybody can see it. Thank you. If you're short the gold at 33, lower your stops. I'm going to do the giveaway right here. All right. Again, if you win, you have a 7-day free trial to my live stream every day, nanosecond. And if you don't use it and lose it and you win, you can't participate for 3 months. Okay. First person, James K. Congratulations. Gold just dropped, hit 33, dropped 7. Okay. Big Key, congratulations. Gold just dropped 10. Who got the short on the gold? Gold looking strong? I think gold's a short. Gold just dropped 15. Healthier or Heather. Sufani Hadra. I can't even say it. I'm exhausted. I need to be drunk. I can't even say these names. Anybody short the gold? Gold touches 13. That's a drop of 20. GD Hunt. So why would you short 41.30, 90 bid even? When I said look to short, what did I say? 30, 33 up to 43. Did I say 33 to 43? Scratch off millionaires. Congratulations again. James Dean, great job. Great job on the short. Close half. Okay. Pinch pennies and Geekins 7896. I never see anything like this. Andre, good job. Made 2,000, Andre, on that short. That's a great job, Andre. Devin B210. Devin, do you not remember we were calling longs down there? Kaboosh fan. Devin, were you here when we were calling longs all the way there? Devin, but we were kicking it. I mean, I didn't expect a 100-point rally either. Okay. Rajaman Kumar U6I. Oh my God. Thank you, JB with God. Great job. Forget, I can't even say this one. I give up. I wave the white flag. I mean, can people just have normal names? Steve Cooper, how are you? Whew, I'm exhausted. iBuzz 99. Some of these names, I can't take it. Rocky Mountain Trades. Chad 361. That's normal. That's normal. Right? That's normal. Artan. Oh my God, Artan. Good job. Artan, good job. Artan, when do you come in? November 3rd? Charles Jolly. See, that's a nice name. Right? Rocky Mountain Trades. Right? Artan, great job, my brother. He's probably trading from his phone. Whew. Blaze 2069. Alpha PVP1. My brain hurts. Can my brain actually hurt? I forgot about the stream. What? Holding a small runner. Got the short. Nice. Cheater. Fill the coolers. Scalper. No, it's not fill up the coolers. It's fill the coolers. Good job, Artan. Good job, brother. Great job. Okay, I know you can read. Okay. Suno. Hey, there you go. Son of Wall Street. Congratulations. He's always here. Good job. Again, this is access to my, is that 15, Aaron? I think that's 15. Great job, Artan. Great job. Great job. Steve-O versus Steve and me. What are your thoughts? Oh, my God. Please. Gold. Look at this gold. Down 20 off the highs. Great job, Artan. Anybody still short the gold? Whoever bought 33s has now jumped. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Kabooshed! You moved your short to 41.20. What does that mean? You mean you lowered your stop? You're still short what? At 48. Oh, you're still short silver at 48. Gold did drop 20. I probably would look to cover some here, Dr. Zay. Okay. Good job, Artan. Can you imagine me and Artan next to each other? Oh, my God. I'll never leave. Got 25 points, Junko man. Okay. I'm short from 41.30. You short gold from 41.30. I would lower your stops and look to cover some. Okay, gold's not an uptrend. Gold's in a downtrend, but it was deeply oversold on the 15, and you were 90 points from the 10 bar moving average. Gold just ran 9, 10. I mean, you see gold drop like that. I hope you lowered your stops. Bob Barker, you're up 23,340. Wow, congratulations. That's a great job. All right. Again, if we get to 400, I may do something a little different here. All right. Okay. Gold right back up 09 to 23. Bob Barker, congratulations, Bob Barker. Can you believe this gold? The guy who sold 4021s? Oh, my God. He jumped. All right. It'll make a bull flag. Congratulations to the winners. I said I would cover the silver short. Good job, Dr. Zay. I mean, you got to lower your stops. If you're short here at 14 or 48, you can't short 48 and want to go to 14, Dr. Zay. Come on. You can't do that. You can't do single lot entries the way I look at the market. Chitra, how are you? Raphael, trade slow and steady. Gold moving very fast, both sides, absolutely. Bob Barker, congratulations, Bob Barker. That's a great job. So the 15 winners, congratulations, and you get an access to my 7. You get access to 7 days of my live stream, 9 to 4. Okay, it's a great experience. You learn. You do not get the chart overlay or the member Discord that you can get if you want. Okay, but I just want, and these are for people who have never won before and people who are non-members only. Okay. And if you win, you have to sign up, because if you don't sign up, you can't participate for 3 more months. Okay, that's the rule. I want everybody to win. Okay. Okay, running on empty. Thank you. Oh, I got a pain on my shoulder. I want to see this gold get cabooshed. I want to see gold 3,500. Oh my God, I'm buying everything. Gary, congrats, Gary. All right, gold should get cabooshed here. No, I hear you. It's my right shoulder. All right, Marianne Cheney. I stream every day from 9 to 4, Marianne. Yes, and anybody who wants to give me a call, you can text me at 914-500-7484. Now, when I came in, I do look at the bigger time frames. So what I saw was the MACDs right here on a 60. So when gold was making all these new lows and scalping longs, okay, I said to myself, the 60-minute MACDs are not going to confirm the low. You had to buy them. And so when gold got down to 21 and we kicked them out of 44, 45, 50, I did not expect gold to go back another 60, 80 points higher. Okay. I did not. All right, but I did know that the low was there. Okay. You see that? The new low, everybody understand about the buy divergence and the negative trend? Great job, Artan. All right. So tomorrow, Denny will be back, and he has something planned very special for all of you. Okay? Something very, very special. So, 3,500 maybe by March. Well, I think personally between all of us here, I think that the interest rate. Now, I mean, there's gold. If you look at the dollar yen here, let's look at the dollar yen. I'm sure the dollar yen did the complete opposite. See, dollar yen. Let's see. This was the gold drop. That's the 15. Here's the 5. So the dollar yen got cabooshed when gold started rallying. Look at this, 151.94. Oh my God, 30 pips. Let's go, 95. And those of you who are on my YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. And also, I'll be back tomorrow night with Denny. Okay, 40-foot times the Punisher. No accounts today because there's a health issue that we have to take care of. Okay. All right. And I appreciate it. Okay. And anybody new who wants to text me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. I have a podcast, everybody. You should watch that. The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. Oh. Fiber Spice God. Did you win yesterday? Thank you, Craig. Okay. Thank you. Wow. I'm exhausted. All right. Gold just died here. All right. In 15 minutes, we'll do the other 15. I don't have access to the sounds. I don't have access to the music. That's all on MyFundedFutures. And again, like I said, I don't scale in every 5. If I call a $5 range, I scale in within the $5 range. So if I call the short, let's say 70 to 75. I'll probably go 70 and a halves, 72, 73 and a halves, 75s with a 77 and a half stop. Manette Trades, how are you? Nice to see you. All right. Stock Itch, how'd you do that? Where bearish calls? What are you talking about? This was the bounce right here to short. Here's the other bounce to short. Here's the other bounce to short. Okay, then I said you have a triple Lindy, 77. I said I didn't call the long, but then I called the short here and I called the short here. And then this is it. Now, again, you want to see the 15s get overbought to look for the short. Raphael Trades, how are you? All right. Tomorrow, MyFundedFutures will have a giveaway. All right. I have the let's see here. I got to figure a place where to make the Caboose t-shirts. Gold just dropped, rally 10. Very quiet here. Let's see. We'll be, yep. The Caboose t-shirts. Hey, SK, good to hear from you. Commander Roberto. How are you, Commander Roberto? Let's see the 30-minute here. This is a bear flag here on the 30. Monster bear flag on the 60. I think this gold's going back down. But, I mean, yeah, there's a little 5-minute bull flag here. It just ran 10. Seth, how are you? Look at it drop. Shirts are on the list. The Kaboom and the Kaboom t-shirt. All right. All right, we're going to do the raffle in about 12 minutes here. And I think that's about it. Pretty tired here. Been a long, long day. I'll tell you that. A lot of great patterns today. Let me see this GE. I remember this GE. I called a short in GE today. Oh, my God. Right off the highs. Look at that. Oh, my God. All right. Let me just looking at something there. Which one? The scene where he shoots a bullet into the bucket sticks in my head forever. What movie is that? No, no, the chart overlay is only on TradeStation and TradingView. Trade Warrior, thank you for that. All right. All right. Let's see here. The gold. Bitcoin, what a short. 13,500 to 13,800. What a short. I saw those 60-minute MACDs non-confirming. Sam PFT, great patterns, right? Cabooshed. You could, if you didn't sign up, Libby, I would sign up. You only have about 10 minutes. Okay, Wendy. Wendy, we'll talk tomorrow. I think the 1 hour gold is setting up a bear flag. Okay. This is a big bear flag right here. If it pushes up, I think it's going to get cabooshed. The only time it would reverse to buy if it takes out that 41.63 right here. So I think a bear flag is coming. And it went negative, and I think you get a bounce on the 60, and then it gets cabooshed off the hourly. Can't do anything here now. All right. Thank you, David. Thank you. Do you have a TradingView version? Yes, it's on TradingView, but you have to subscribe to my live stream to get it. If you sign up for my live stream, the Pro Pack is $99. You get the chart overlay on TradingView, you get the stream, and you get my member Discord. Okay, whistleblower, you're late to the game. I'm exhausted. Bob Barker, good job, Bob Barker. Come on, gold. Jesus, I think gold made everybody exhausted at the end of the night here. If you short the NASDAQ, Zachary, I would just look to cover. This 15 should roll over here on the NASDAQ, Zach. The 15s are getting overbought into the negative MACD. The 30-minute reverse to sell, so I think the NASDAQ's going down. All right, let's see if this gold. If this gold takes out 4,100, you'll get what's called a double red short. Then you got to short the next bounce. Flash Gordon, how are you? All right. All right, we're going to do a raffle here again in about 7 minutes. That, again, will give you access to my live stream for 7 days free. Please, there is an expiration date on it. If you win and don't claim it, guess what? You can't participate for another. Gordon Gecko, great job. You cannot participate for another 3 months. Those are the rules. And it only pertains, okay, to people who are not in the membership. It's for people who are not here to give them a chance. Okay. Whistleblower, good evening. How are you, whistleblower? Andrew trades. I won last night. Can I claim Monday to have a full week? You won when? You won last night. If you won last night, it starts today. So you better sign up and do what you need to do. Andrew trades, or you could just text me. Good job, Armando. Look at this gold. 33. Now, if this gold goes negative on the 5, oh my God. And sticks negative short the next bounce. There goes the gold. Look at it. Look at it touching. Oh my God. What a short. Oh my God almighty.
Let's try it.
Now you do have the positive MACDs. If you want to take a scalp long, 86.5 to 96.5, I take a scalp long. Scalp long only, micros, and I would go wide. Ricardo Salazar, God bless you. Andrew Trades, how are you? Gold just rallied 6. Actually, more than that. Just rallied 7. Yeah, gold woke up with 4 minutes. Zachary, I think you get one more push down on the gold on the Nasdaq. Zachary. Gary B, let him be. Don't do that. Come on. I was calling shorts up there. Kabooshed. All right. Let's see if you get one more push down. You're still short, NASDAQ? All right. Let's see if the 15s can roll over. Who's still short? You're still short the gold? Okay. I know these markets need to get caboose. Gold just rallied 10. Anybody get that long on the triple Lindy off the 5? Oh my God, 13, 15. Oh my God. Look at the gold up 15. Jesus Christ. If you didn't buy, cancel the gold long. See the push down into the positive MACD right here? That's what I was calling the long. If we win, you have to join the day after the win. Correct. You have to sign up for the win. You can't start the 7-day period later. No. What is this? No. You think I can keep track of that? You win, you have a certain period where it expires. Look at this gold. At 15, it's going to be 20 on the upside. They're going to cut. They're going to cut, but it's already priced in. They're going to cut. Look at this gold. Jesus, Lord God. Tried to get that long there on the oversold. See that 15 reverses. When the 15 reverses to buy like this, there's an 85% chance, obviously, that the lows are in. Okay, now you want to try to buy the first pullback on the 5. That's why I was trying to buy it down there, 90, 95 and a half. 96.80 it got down to. Cheater, good job. I don't look at candles. I don't know how anybody could look at candles. I just don't do it. Targeting 25,000. Long NASDAQ 25,218. 25,900. I don't see that. Are you seeing 50 pips? No. What's a triple windy? It's a triple Lindy. It's a triple Lindy. Lindy. A triple Lindy is a buy divergence right here in a negative trend when it happened. All right, gold ticks 15. It'll be up 20 off the lows right here. Here's 15 in a minute. There's 15. All right, nice long if you caught the long. I missed it. All right, Aaron, you want to do 50 more? Aaron, let's do this. It's getting late. Candles for birthdays. OKC. All right. All right, we're going to do 15 more. All right, we're going to do 15 more on the wheel here. Look at the gold. I'm exhausted. I don't even know if I can see what this shit here. All right, let's see if we got a drop. I tried to get that long there after the 15 reversed. You want to buy that pullback. Love to see this gold get to 3,700. Oh my God, people go crazy. I'm not looking at candles. 8NH, congratulations. This is one. Congratulations. I do love it. I do love it. All right. Dario. See, that's a normal name. Hendrix is my boy. He's a good boy, my Hendrix. He's a moose. All right. These, again, the winners. What the? I can't even say this. Talisa Gamma 1401. All right. Tomorrow we'll have a bunch of giveaways. We'll have a bunch of giveaways for MyFundedFutures. Karoma. Should I short gold now? No. The fives are turning up. Just ran 22. There's a strategy there. Hey, Steve, you made me switch to gold. You love it. GL Camaro 76. Congratulations. Triple Indies also died from the trip. Right. Rodney Dangerfield. Jermar. Can't see it. Jameer, I guess. Again, this is for a 7-day free trial to my live stream. Lazy Gamma, how are you? Cheney Trading, congratulations. Joe Lombardo, that's you? Joe, you just can't put your name. You're going to drive me crazy. ATEC, pretty normal. ATEC. And again, I stream every day from 9 to 4 at sktrading.live. Who's this? Here's the wheel. Fadden 15, congratulations. If I only had a brain. All right. Taylor McLaughlin, congratulations. Taylor McLaughlin. We had about 600 people tonight. I'd like to get it to at least 1,500. Okay. Piotr 7095. Gold just dropped 5 just now. Craig Tassio 2308. Again, it's for people who are not part of. Hey, Andrew. Okay. I can't even begin to think of this one. I don't know what this means. Hey, Andrew Rose. Nice to meet you, Andrew Rose. Trade Mindset. Congratulations again. And tomorrow, Denny will be back and we'll do maybe 30, 40 giveaways for MyFundedFutures. How many more is that, Aaron? And Andre, good night from Brazil. Good night, brother. Gimwell 89, congratulations. I'm exhausted. Gold just dropped 11. 15s are dropping. Danny, 5220. Congratulations. Here every day. Who's this? You got to put your name in. You didn't put your name in? All right. So we're probably going to wrap this up in a couple minutes. Gold just dropped here, 17. If the 5 reverses to sell and sticks negative with a close below 40.99, then you look to short the next bounce. Here it is. Look at this. What was the high? 18, 19. What a drop. Oh, gold's going to get kabooshed. You're very welcome, Rocky Mountain. Danny, good job. Jenny Drake, congratulations to the winners. Good night, Amado from Puerto Rico. Dead Cat Bounce, have a great night, brother. Andrew Rose, congratulations to the winners here. Got the short on the gold. Jenny Drake, good job, Jenny Drake. Great job. And congratulations to the 30 winners. Again, you get 7-day free trial to my live stream. Guys, what you'll learn in that 1 week will blow your mind. Okay? Look at this gold. Kabooshed! Jenny Drake's kabooshed. Good job. Zink, you should expect an email if you won. Correct. Aaron's going to do that now. Wow. Wildness. All right, Michael Jocko, see you in the morning. Get rest, everybody. All right, with about 8 minutes to go here. Elio Tamar, 7002, you're welcome. And again, if anybody wants to reach out to me, you can text me. I will call people for the next 30 minutes, 914-500-7484. I think gold is going down. I think gold's going to 30. Okay. Sam Murda. Good job, Sam Murda. I'm proud of you, Sam. Good night, brother. All right. With that being said, let's see if this gold can take out this. This gold takes out this 99, and the 5 goes negative. Oh my God, gonna get kabooshed. Zink, have a good night. We need a kabooshing. Flash Gordon, kabooshed. Who's that? Craig? Thank you. It looks like gold's going to 4,100 to get another bounce. It just hit 4,100. I want to see this 5 go negative. Congratulations to the winners. Yes. Little Roo, thank you. You're very welcome, brother. You're very welcome. Congratulations to the winners here. All right, Denny will be back. I'm sorry for the last couple of nights, but family comes first. That's all that matters, right? And there will be a giveaway tomorrow. Not only mine, but also you'll have the ability. I think I'm going to push Denny to do some more here. All right, we'll do some minimum 30 giveaways for MyFundedFutures. I'm going to try to get it maybe up to 50. I'll talk to Denny in the morning. All right, not really much to do here. Big number here is this 82 level. Again, you saw here when gold, just going to show you the 2 divergences here. So when gold made this new low here, right here, at 40.21, the MACD is a non-confirm on the 30. And look at the 60-minute time, the 15. Did the MACD make a new low here? Anybody? Anybody? Come in, Manila. If I draw my horizontal line right here, okay? If I draw my horizontal line from here to here, this is why I was calling longs down here. And you're making new lows. The MACD is positive here. And the MACD cannot make a new low on the 30-minute. That's right there, right? Artan, just get here, Artan, okay? And then here, look at this beautiful bear flag. And then here, can anybody tell me right here? Can anybody tell me? right here. Did the MACDs make a new low on this low here? The answer is no. So I'll do this again. When you made the new low, the MACDs were positive. When you made the new low, the MACDs couldn't confirm the low on the price. When you made the new low, the MACD on the 15. Take a picture of this. This is an absolute Picasso. Zachary, are you okay on this short in the NASDAQ? Zachary? Does everybody understand what I just showed you here? Everybody? Zachary, are you okay here? All right. Does everybody understand this pattern? I probably look to take a short here, Zach. 65 up to 85 on the NASDAQ. Okay? Reshort it. All right? Meaning gold didn't hit a new low. Correct. No, gold hit a new low. What are you talking about? Meaning gold hit a new low, but the MACD did not confirm the low on the 30 and on the 15. And then on the new low, if you see right here, okay, the MACDs were positive. This is an absolute Picasso. I got to take a picture of this. Okay, this is why I was looking at the market, and this is why I was calling the longs. This is an absolute beautiful pattern. Okay, Julian, Zachary, I would probably short it again up here for a pullback. Try to make it back. MACD divergences, right. Okay, Flash Gordon. Gee whiz, check your email. Absolutely. Okay. Libby, do you see that? Robert Phillips, Diego. All right. Guys, take a picture of this. This is trading right here. I walked in, I looked at the gold on the bigger time frame when gold got kabooshed. I said, I said, buy. Just keep buying. Boom, boom. And then when it went right up into the 10 bar, okay, the 15s got overbought. Okay, you had to take that short. 33s, right? You see that? Von D, you understand this? And again, every day I stream from 9 to 4 at sktrading.live. I would love to have you guys there. Okay. Also, I have a podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. If anybody wants to visit me in this great state of Florida, I even got Arton who's going to move here. I want to just say my door is always open. If you want to text me or call me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. I want to say thank you to everybody for joining me here tonight. I'm exhausted. All right, I got to go walk my dog. He'll probably end up taking me somewhere and dragging me off here. I live in Jupiter, Florida. All right. Okay, Von D. And then again, you should be texting me or calling me. Again, my cell phone number 914-500-7484. Okay, thank you, everybody. God bless you. Denny will be back tomorrow. We'll have a really big giveaways tomorrow between MyFundedFutures. Oh, look at this gold. Look at this gold. This gold is going to get kabooshed here. With MyFundedFutures and SK Trading, so far year to date, I've given away 162 free 7-day free trials to my live stream. With that being said, God bless you and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle moves, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop lost graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.